The average arithmetic mean of the three different positive integers, x, y, and z, is 50. So their arithmetic mean is 50, and they're three different positive integers. If x is less than y is less than z, and y is equal to 30, what is the least possible value of z? So let's use the information they're giving us. So the arithmetic mean of the three different positive integers, x, y, and z, is 50. So if you take x plus y plus z and divide it by 3, it is going to be equal to 50. Or if we want to simplify this a little bit, we can multiply both sides by 3, and we can say the sum of x plus y plus z is equal to 150. Now, they give us some other information. They tell us that y is equal to 30. So if y is equal to 30, we could subtract 30 from both sides. Subtract 30 from both sides, and we're going to be left with, these 30s cancel out, we're going to be left with x plus z is equal to 120. Now, we want to know what the least possible value of z is, and they give us some constraints over here. They tell us that x is less than y. We know that y is 30, which is less than z, which is less than z. Now, in order to have the least possible value of x, we have the sum. X plus z is 120. In order to have the least possible value of z, we want to have the largest possible value of x. The largest possible value of x, and we're going to have the least possible value of z right over here. So what's the largest possible value of x? It has to be a positive integer. It has to be less than 30. Well, the largest positive integer less than 30 is 29. So if x is 29, so let's just work through that scenario. If x is 29, then to solve for z, what our least possible value of z is, we just subtract 29 from both sides. Subtract 29 from both sides, and we are left with z is equal to, what is this? Z is equal to 91. Z can't be any smaller than 91, because if z was smaller than 91, if it was, say, 90, then x would have to be 30, but x has to be less than 30. And all of these are positive integers. They're three different positive integers. So this is the least possible value of z.